Be honest. When was the last time you picked up your phone? Just to check one thing? And suddenly, it's 2 hours later, and you're still scrolling? Yeah, we've all been there. Here's a fact. Studies show Gen Z spends over 4 hours a day on social media. That's like 60 full days a year. Imagine what else you could do with that time. But don't worry. I'm not here to tell you to delete Instagram and go live in the mountains. This isn't one of those boring, just log off lectures. Instead, I want to give you real tips that actually work. Practical ways to beat social media burnout while still enjoying it. Sound good? Let's go. Tip 1. Practice scroll awareness. Have you ever opened Instagram and boom, suddenly it's 3 a.m. and you're watching a guy teach you how to cook lasagna you'll never make? That's social media autopilot. And the first step out of it is awareness. Check your screen time right now. Painful, right? But awareness is power. Here's a hack. Before you open any app, ask yourself out loud, why am I opening this? If your answer is, I'm bored, maybe it's not Instagram you need. It's a quick walk, a stretch, or even a call with a friend. One simple question can turn endless scrolling into intentional choice. Tip 2. Replace, don't just remove. Here's the mistake most people make with digital detoxes. They just delete apps and sit there miserable like, now what? Your brain is wired for stimulation. If you don't replace social media with something else, you'll go right back. So instead of scrolling before bed, listen to a 5-minute podcast. Instead of Instagram in the morning, try writing down 3 priorities for your day. Instead of doom scrolling the news, go for a 10-minute walk. It's not about quitting cold turkey. It's about swapping low-energy habits for high-energy ones. Think of it like this. Don't starve your brain, feed it better. Tip 3. Redesign your digital space. Quick question. Does your feed inspire you, or does it drain you? Every time you scroll, you're either getting energy or losing it. So clean house. Unfollow accounts that make you feel less than. Mute the constant drama. And here's a pro tip. Follow people who post what you want more of. Fitness, art, positivity, knowledge. Because here's the truth. Your feed is like your mental diet, and junk content leads to junk energy. Tip 4. Set boundaries you'll actually keep. Raise your hand if you've ever said, okay, from now on, I'm only spending 30 minutes a day on Instagram. And then broke that rule on day 1. Yeah, same. That's why instead of extreme rules, start small. Try this no phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Or no phone during meals. Or set one cutoff time, say 11 p.m., and stick to it. Small boundaries are easier to keep, and they stack up into huge change. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Tip 5. Reconnect with the real world. Here's the funny thing. Social media is supposed to connect us, but sometimes it disconnects us from real life. So once a week, do one offline thing that excites you. Call a friend, play basketball, journal, sketch, dance in your room like nobody's watching, because likes feel good for 5 seconds. But laughter with a friend? That's soul fuel. Now listen carefully. You are not weak. You are not lazy. You are not broken. Social media is literally engineered, down to the color of the notifications, to keep you hooked. So if you're feeling burned out, it's not your fault. But it is your responsibility to take back control. Awareness, replacement, boundaries, real connections. These aren't just tips, they're tools. And once you start using them, you'll feel the fog lift. You'll get your time back, your energy back, and most importantly, you'll get yourself back. So Gen Z, here's my challenge to you. This week, don't just scroll. Don't just consume. Pause. Choose. Live with intention. Because the world doesn't just need your likes. It doesn't just need your comments. The world needs your creativity, your energy, your presence, and most of all, it needs the real you. This is 7D Mindset. Think deeper, see broader, grow wiser.